Welcome to the Deep Dive. Ready for your daily dose of science news. We've got the latest from journals, blogs, those sorts of things, all ready to go.
Yeah, it's amazing what's coming out every single day.
It really is, isn't
Yeah.
it? So let's dive right in
Oh.
with something I think we could all relate to.
Yeah.
Coffee.
Oh.
Ever wonder why some people just can't stand black coffee while others like it? Turns out your genes might have something to do with it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Researchers at the Leibniz Institute for Food Systems Biology
Wow.
are looking into why coffee tastes more bitter to some than others.
Interesting.
Yeah, so maybe one day, your barista
Yeah.
could actually recommend a specific roast based on your DNA.
Wow, a DNA test before coffee.
Right.
That's pretty cool.
Like personalized nutrition based on, your genetic predispositions.
Wow. That's really interesting.
Let's move on from coffee to something maybe even more groundbreaking, RNA research.
Okay.
It's incredible what they're doing with RNA sequencing for diagnostics and treatment these days.
It's really amazing.
For example,
Yeah.
they're using RNA sequencing from just dried blood spots.
Really?
So, think about it. Instead of getting like a tissue biopsy,
Right.
you could just get a diagnosis from a simple finger prick.
Wow, that's a game changer.
Totally.
Really.
For a lot of people.
I know, less invasive procedures. Who wouldn't want that?
Absolutely.
There's also this really interesting collaboration
Okay.
between Genialis and Debiopharm. They've developed this supermodel.
Supermodel.
I know, right? Sounds more like fashion than science, doesn't it?
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing.
But it's actually an AI algorithm
Oh, wow.
trained on this massive data set of RNA sequences, and it can generate these biomarkers
Correct.
that can help predict how someone might respond to a specific treatment.
Oh, that's amazing.
Like this AI can peek into your RNA and tell doctors, hey,
wow.
this is how this person's body's going to react to this therapy.
That's incredible.
And that's not even all it can do.
No.
Right.
Who else? It can help identify the mechanisms of diseases,
Yeah.
leading to even more targeted treatments in the future.
So we're talking about personalized medicine in a whole new way.
Absolutely.
That's amazing.
So we've talked about coffee, RNA.
Yeah.
How about we switch gears to the human immune system?
Sure.
How does our body's defense system change as we age?
Right.
Scientists are using some pretty high-tech stuff to figure that out, like
Yeah.
single-cell RNA sequencing
Wow.
and mass cytometry.
So they're like creating these detailed maps of the immune system across our entire lifespan.
Exactly.
That's fascinating.
What they're finding is that it's not just a simple case of your immune system weakening with age.
Right.
It's a lot more nuanced than that.
Really? So it's not just downhill after a certain age.
Well, it's definitely not that simple.
Okay. Interesting.
This research could really change how we approach age-related diseases.
I can see that.
Understanding those changes could lead to better interventions
Yeah.
to boost immunity as we get older.
Okay. So that's promising.
Definitely. And speaking of things that are changing the game, we have to talk about AI.
Oh, of course.
It seems like it's everywhere these days, including in science research.
Right. It's definitely becoming more and more prominent.
Absolutely, and for good reason.
Yeah. One really interesting example is this AI model developed in China called DeepSeek.
DeepSeek.
Yeah, DeepSeek.
So what's so special about this DeepSeek?
Well, scientists are using it for all kinds of things,
Okay.
like predicting protein structures
Mm-hmm.
and even speeding up drug discovery.
So it's like this super-powered research assistant
Yeah, exactly.
that never sleeps,
Pretty much.
just
There-
crunching numbers and uncovering hidden connections,
Yeah, it can sift through massive amounts of data
right?
and identify patterns that humans might miss.
That's pretty amazing.
It is. It's really accelerating research.
Talking about all these discoveries
Yeah.
makes you realize there's so much research going on.
Oh, absolutely.
We only get to hear about a small fraction of it.
That's right. There's a whole universe of research beyond the headlines.
Like what?
Well, for instance, there's this research going on looking into new treatments for diabetes,
Okay.
using these compounds called pyrazole phthalazine hybrids.
Pyrazole what?
I know, it's a mouthful, isn't it?
Yeah,
But it just goes to show
Yeah.
how science is always pushing the boundaries.
it really does. It's mind-boggling to think about all the scientific progress happening.
It is. It's truly remarkable.
And you, our listener, are right there with us.
Yeah, you're on the cutting edge.
Exactly, because here on the Deep Dive, we want to empower you,
Give you the knowledge.
spark your curiosity,
Absolutely inspire you.
to explore the wonders of science.
That's what it's all about.
And we'll make sure to include links to all the source material in the episode notes.
Yeah, so you can dive deeper into any topic that catches your eye.
As you explore, we'll leave you with this thought.
Okay.
What scientific breakthrough are you most excited about?
That's a great question.
Yeah. What possibilities do you see on the horizon?
Because the future of science is just, brimming with potential.
It really is. And who knows? Maybe you'll be the one to make the next big discovery.
Yeah, science is for everyone.
Exactly. It's not just for the experts.
It's for anyone who's ever looked up at the stars.
Right. And wondered
Yeah.
how things work,
It's all around us.
shaping our lives in countless ways.
We're all part of this incredible journey.
So embrace your inner scientist.
And let's keep exploring.
The wonders of the universe together.
Absolutely.
Who knows what amazing things we'll uncover next?
You never know.
You know, it's amazing to think each day brings new discoveries,
It's
pushing the boundaries of what we know.
It's an exciting time
It really is.
to be following science.
And you, our listener, get to be a part of that
Yeah, that's right.
by tuning in and keeping up with the latest.
Keeping your finger on the pulse
That's the goal
of science.
of the deep dive.
Absolutely.
We want to make science engaging and accessible for everyone.
For sure, make it fun.
So until next time,
Yes.
keep that spark of curiosity alive.
Absolutely.
Never stop exploring.
The world around us.
Thanks for joining us on the deep dive.
See you next time.